The spotlight is on, the music is pumping, and the queens are ready. This is the night of glamour, glitz, and gorgeous queens. The dragtastic show of tonight. Dragzavaganza, the ultimate celebration of drag and excellence. Starring the most talented and charismatic SCB drag queens, Wednesday, Volada, and Mocha. Featuring the cream de la cream of show royalty, Ate G.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got
Get it together, watch it and take it over.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's.
Yes! Grabe! Ano naman yun? Well, anyway, good evening everyone. Matching the beat natin na. Good evening! Is this so amazing introduction number? Isn't it amazing? Oh my God. Yung itlog ko na-dislocate. Grabe. And of course, before anything else, magpalakpakan naman tayo na. Thank you so much. And kung iisipin, if you're going to think, nag-isaw-saw lang ako sa tatlong mga bata. Actually, ayan, arrange mo na kayo. Ay, hindi ganyan. Dapat yan. Ayan. Tapos, dito ka, Wendes. Sunod ka. Small. Medium ka ba? Extra small ang rice na kinakain mo. And, okay na yan. Thank you so much. Ganyan talaga yan. Alright, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Drive Extravaganza 2025. And I would like to, of course, welcome once again, baka ano, naguluhan kayo. These are, of course, the amazing drag queens of Seafront Comedy Bar. Palakpakan for Volana! Tapos naman si Wednesday! Tsaka si Mocha Gors! Oh, kahit hininga ako, tapos na ako mag-greet naman kayo. Okay. Wednesday, ano masasabi mo? Greet mo naman, of course, yung guests tsaka friends mo na in-invite mo doon.
Sa ano, sa 200 na chinat ko, my God.
Wow, ano yan?
Walang dumating.
Good.
Pero, magpasalamat tayo sa boss natin dahil nagdala silang dalawang table.
Yes!
Madam, huwag kang magtago, madam. Baka naman. Ayan, palakpakan naman for my friends in stage. Ate G, Volana, and Mocha Girls. So please stand by dahil marami pa po kaming prepare. Ayan, madami kami. Katulad ng nakita nyo nung concert ng last week, ganun din yung gagawin namin.
Ulit-ulit.
Okay. Si Volana naman. Si Volana yung mauna, tapos si Mocha yung last. Yes.
Okay, so by the way, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for having here with us tonight. We are really not expecting na ganito pala karami yung guests namin. Though it's Tuesday, medyo for us, hindi talaga masyadong maraming tao kapag ganitong araw. But of course, we are drag queens and Ate G. Oh my God, thank you so much for being here tonight with us.
Ayan. Ito na! Ang babae, yes, of course, na nagdihag ng lahat ng mga manok sa buol.
Wow! Talaga ba, Charmaine?
Mocha!
Ayan. Hi, everyone! Pakpak, oy! Thank you so much. That's all. Thank you.
What?
Ay, charot.
Grabe naman. Wala kang guest?
Meron ito, mga friends ko.
Baka naman mga supporters ni Mocha.
Yes. Mga ano yan, mga may posisyon sa Albor, mga magnanakaw, charot.
Maybe yung circle of friends.
Oo, talaga.
It shows naman.
Charot. Ayan, hello everyone. Thank you for coming. Shit, nakakaiyak. Charot. Ayan, thank you.
Diba? Sabi ko, pinahuli ko talaga si Mocha na mag-greetings because eto lang talaga si Mocha ang may maraming salita. Ayan.
Wow.
In reverse, oo. Pag sabing good evening, tapos na. Ayan, ganyan siya. But anyway, of course, yes, speaking of drags, ha? Nagda-drag ba kayo? Hoy, sagot naman! Hindi naman, nagda-drag ba kayo dati?
Ako hindi. Ewan ko lang sa kasama ko.
Sino?
Oo. Secret. Hulain mo.
Oo. Yes, ang ibig kong sabihin, nagda-drag. Have you been into like competition before? Drag queens? So, hindi naman droga yung ibig sabihin. Hindi, mga bobo.
Hindi pala.
Oo.
Well, actually, ako una.
Yes.
Nung college ako, yes, sumasali talaga ako ng mga competitions just inside lang sa school namin.
Wow, may drag queens competition.
It's just a comical skit. Tapos, ginawa namin parang may drag queens.
Okay.
Though hindi pa uso. Nung time namin, hindi pa uso yung mga drag. Yan, hindi pa
Ay,
talaga
hindi pa
uso dito
uso?
sa atin.
Oo.
Tapos,
Pero believe naman ako, kasi na-maintain mo yung body mo.
sa jeans talaga. Nasa jeans.
Wow! Gusto mo ba magka-jeans si ano? Wes, gusto mo ganitong jeans?
Ayaw ko niya, Louie.
Okay.
May mas advantage sa amin yung mga matataba.
Bakit?
Dahil kapag yung matataba, pag nag-diet, papayat pa. Pag yung mga papayat mag-diet, patay na.
Oh, ganon.
Kaya yun yung advantage.
Ayaw mo?
Ayaw ko. At saka
Okay.
asset ko yun, yung magiging matataba.
Asset ka?
Oo. Dahil sa pagiging mataba ko, nakikita nila yung pagiging mayaman ko.
Tama din naman. So ano namang masasabi mo doon? So magda-drag ka pa ba?
Of course, I'm doing this right now. I'm continuing my drag career. Kasi the first time I competed outside the school, it was just online competition. It was online lip sync battle. Yes. And then, fortunately, I won.
Wow!
That was 2000 pandemic time. Kaya naging online siya. Then, I started competing sa mga malls. So, example sa Altacita.
Yeah.
I competed there, so
champion ka rin, no?
Yeah, naging champion din ako. So I am also very thankful, no, for Sir Pao and Sir Royce for kinuha nila ako dito as one of the performers. So it's really a big opportunity yun. Para sa akin talaga, happy talaga ako na isa ako sa member ng artist dito sa Seafront.
Happy? Di ba, wait lang, huwag yung bumalakpak.
Pero may masasabi siya ngayon.
Hindi siya happy. May gusto siyang sabihin. Sabihin mo na.
Wala akong sabihin.
Meron. Meron yan.
Saan?
Yung ano? Yung, ano yung friend?
Yung pa-sponsor daw nyo na pa-pek-pek.
Kasi meron na akong boobs. Kulang na lang pek. Yeah.
But anyway, of course, Mocha, ang galing mo naman talaga. Sorry. Sorry kasi senior high school na po ako. Kaya nakaupo ako dito. Sabi kasi ni Pao tsaka ni Royce, mag-twist ka. Alam mo naman namin na sobrang energy mo pagkatapos magpadala ka ng wheelchair. Hindi ko naman ma-upload yung wheelchair eh. Dito lang ako nakaupo. Tapos yun, actually, if I'm going to, let everyone know, si Mocha, si Bolana, ayan, is a teacher by profession. Huwag na natin sabihin kung ano basta, he is a teacher by profession. Pero dito wala namang profession dito. Sa comedy bar talaga, it doesn't matter on what position you are, as long as dito kayo, happy kayo, nakabayad kayo, happy kayo, tsaka may pabigay naman minsan, gano'n yan. Sa ayan. At saka, yung importante talaga, of course, is that uuwi kayo na, syempre, you are contented talaga sa customers sa Seafront. Yun lang naman, diba?
As long as...
Ang mga position dito na, yung mga 69, yung mga backstroke position. Ba't ka tumawa? Bakit?
Ibang position
yung binanggit mo.
Bakit? Anong position ang gusto mo? Anong position na kinahiligan mo?
Wala.
Wala? Ang ganda naman ng position na yan.
Sorry.
Okay. Kaya nga wholesome kasi teacher siya. Ito naman sige.
Thank you so wholesome.
Wholesome. Wholesome ka, yung yung stockings. Napaka-whole. Wednesday, ikaw naman. Ayan. Pwede mo na nagsimulang nagka-drag. Parang hindi naman tumatalab eh.
Ato talaga yung 2020. Yung pandemic.
Okay.
Sumali din ako ng lip sync battle. Yung siya yung reigning. Tapos yung magkalaban doon kami ni Dairing.
Saan si Dairing?
Ha?
Saan si Dairing?
Diyan, nag sa spotlight.
Oh my God!
Siya yung Panginoon natin ngayon. Kaya palakpakan natin si Dairing. Dahil wala si Dairing, wala kaming ilaw ngayon. Siya ang ilaw ng tahanan.
Thank you. Ay, nasa buka light na kami.
At saka doon sa lip sync namin, first runner-up ako, si Dairing yung nag-champion.
Okay.
Pero may malaking opportunity na nakuha ako noon after nung nag-first runner-up ako.
naman yun?
Kasi kinuha ko ni Sir Pao at ni Sir Royce.
Okay.
At saka, I'm so thankful kasi 5 years na ako dito sa Seafront. Kami talaga, dating pangalan namin, yung hindi pa kami Barbie dolls, kaming tatlo.
Ano pa kayo, no?
May grupo kami dati.
Ha?
May grupo kami dati.
Ano
ako, si Mocha, yung Baby Dragons.
Baby Dragon.
Pero sad to say, dalawa na lang yung natira.
Ano nangyari sa tatlo?
Nabaybas.
Oh my God! deserve naman.
Pero yung isa nakalaya.
Nakalaya? Yung isa?
Oo, di ba siya yung nag-make up sa'yo?
Siya ba yun?
Ayan siya.
Oh my God, mali pala ako ng nahar.
Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung mukha niya.
Kaya nga pala,
Tingnan
halos
mo.
magkapareho na kami ng mukha.
Kaya nga. At saka, sinabihan siya ng mama niya, huwag masyadong dumuko. Baka mamatay ka.
Bakit?
Yung siwang kasi yan.
Sobrang talas.
Sobrang talas ba?
Hoy, hindi! Kasi nakita ko siya doon sa dati yung hindi pa na-close yung Dunkin' Donuts. Taga siya, taga-butas ng donut. Super sikat talaga yung
kaya nga, yung nahuli, di ba na napansin nyo, nung nahuli siya, nabaiba siya, nagsirado din yung Dunkin' Donuts.
Yun.
Oo.
Doon natapos ang istorya.
Doon natapos ang
Sponsor pa naman natin.
Kasi wala yung taga-butas sa Dunkin' Donuts.
Wala na nga eh. Alam mo kung saan siya lumipat ngayon?
Sa ano?
Sa BQ! Doon sa may clothing section.
Doon siya sa clothing section kasi siya yung nagtutupik ng mga
Yes.
mga tela. Ganun lang yan.
Pack 1, tapos pack 2.
Ganun lang. Oo. Doon siya sa mga tela.
Tapos nagsasadline siya ng makeup.
Nagsasadline siya ng makeup, ribbon. At saka yung ribbon niya, magpa-ribbon kayo sa kanya. Kasi bukas may retouch. Tsaka may libreng...
Bukas agad, tatlong araw pa yung time.
Bukas may retouch, tsaka may libreng sombrero. Oo, kasi kalbo ka na.
Oo.
Yun ang mo.
Oo. Yun pala yung story mo. Ikaw naman, Mocha. Eto. Gusto ko talaga siya yung huli. I don't want Mocha to be the last one, but anong masasabi mo sa mga, drag?
Drag is...
Wow. Is what?
Say no to drugs.
Masisira ang buhay mo.
Walang pa siya. Charot, nag-drag ako.
Nag-drag ka?
Nag-drag ka?
Ay, hindi pa nga. Charot.
Suway ko na.
1, 2, 3.
Tao ba to? Ano ngayon? Magbisaya sa buhay. Charot, sinama pa ako ni Iring noon.
Si Iring na naman? Iring?
Oo.
Ano mo talagang influenza yung Iring na yan?
Balakas kasi pintahan yun eh. Charot.
Kaya pala nahulog na siya sa sa mga sound system na siya na-assign.
Di talaga, kidding aside.
Wow, kidding aside!
Charot, yung may mga racket si Iring, sinama niya ako sa ginawa pa niya akong assistant niya hanggang ginawa niya ako mag-lip-sync ka dahil mag-comedy ka, gano'n. Hanggang parang nagustuhan ko, tapos...
Nagustuhan mo?
Oo.
Paano mo nagustuhan sa lasa? Or was it good? Or ano?
Next question, please.
Okay.
Tapos ayun, sinama ko ni Iring dito sa Seafront, tapos naging friend ko sila, Sir Paul, Sir Royce, tapos pinasok nila ako dito, tapos nawala ako mga ilang years kasi...
Saan ka napunta? Na-rehab ka na naman?
Hindi, bumalik sa bisyo. Charot lang, malis lang, tapos walang naisip eh. Kaya yun, nagmahay, bumalik.
Nagmahay. Huwag kang magmahay.
Tapos, ginalingan ko na lahat. Kasi, ang sakit kasi naman salita eh.
Challenge siya.
But
anyway, of course, that's your life. Ayan.
True.
Eto na lang. Ayan. Is it really necessary na talagang ganito talaga yung make-up? Hindi kasi ako sanay nang mag-make-up ng ganito. Tingnan mo ako kung wala naman akong buhok para kung si Hellboy.
Sample! Sample!
Wag na!
Sample!
Wag na!
Sample!
Mamaya na yung sample lang sa makikita rin naman yan eh. Makikita yan, hindi naman nila. Ano lang talaga, ayan. Pagandahan tayo ng legs. Ayan, position muna. Ayan, okay, ayan. Kasi, it's really very helpful talaga pag nakastacking talaga. O, tignan mo. Ayan. Sa akin, kung parang asset na kasi ito eh. Long-legged. Ayan. Kung sa kahoy ito, to siya? Akasya. Diba? Parang solido. Parang talaga, pulido na talaga. Yung pag-introduce na nag-VO. Cream de la creme. cream talaga. Show Royal. Ay, grabe. Wait, sino nag-view ko nun? Pangalan daw niya Carl.
Si Carl J.
Sabihin mo sa kanya salamat ha. Kasi parang yung cream de la creme, parang ano na talaga, yung subok, of course, subok na talaga ng panahon. So kung cream ako, tsaka ibabahagi natin sa mga paa natin. O, ayan. Cream de la creme. Oo. Parang may halong asukal, tsaka kinugay na siyang isaya. Eto, o yan. Kung ka, yung sa legs mo, parang kang kawayan. Ganyan.
Perfect.
Straight na straight. Oo, diba? Sa'yo naman Wednesday.
Wow. Subukan mo. Sabihin ko yung sikreto mo sa kanila.
Wag naman. Kaya nga pinaposisyon ko lang. Pinaposisyon ko lang naman yung legs mo. Ganyan. Yan, yung paa mo, parang kung sa kahoy yan, parang our national tree.
Ano yun? Coconut tree?
Hindi. Ano yan? Balete.
Balete, tapos dito yung kapre.
Wow!
Oo. Pero yung paa mo ka, ayan, go. Position.
Yan, may stretch marks.
Yun, alam mo kung ano yan?
Ayun, marami itong pinagdaanan.
Ay, ganun pala talaga. Yung parang, yung may nagde-date. Kung kahoy yan, may nagde-date, of course, doon sa tapos sa...
Pinagtripan.
Pinagtripan. Pero yung isa lang naman yung definition sa paa mo.
Ano?
Salamat sa bagtak sa manok.
Wow!
Yes. But anyway, of course, is it really necessary talaga na drag queen ka, ganito talaga yung aura ng makeup?
Oo. Ano naman yung drag queen, wala siyang required na makeup.
Okay.
Ang importante kasi yung drag queen is para sa amin, free. So kung ano yung nasa isip mo, kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari sa mukha mo, sa performance mo, gawin mo lang. Ang importante, makapag-show ka sa sa story about your life. Because, pass.
Yes.
In addition about makeup, no? Technically speaking talaga, when it comes to drag queen, maganda talaga kapag medyo dark yung makeup natin, medyo makapal. Kasi you are going to perform on stage. And posibleng kakainin ng lights yung makeup mo kapag manipis lang. So dapat well-emphasized talaga yung makeup natin. Well-defined.
Tama.
Yes.
Satisfied naman ako doon. Kaya nga hindi ko talaga alam kung yung makeup ko talaga, ano ba to? Legit ba to? Legit? Or ano ba talaga to? Pinaglalaroan or pinagtrippingan lang talaga?
Hindi, maganda ka naman, Te. Maganda ka.
Wag na.
Maganda ba si Ate G?
No!
Nagsalita naman tong maganda.
Ay, sorry.
Oo. But anyway, of course, thank you ladies. You have to prepare yourselves muna, ha? Magpalakpakan naman, of course!
See you later.
Yes! Thank you so much, Mocha! We have also Volana and Wednesday. So, eto na. Thank you muna ako, ha? Once again, thank you so much to our boss, the Celestial family. Palakpakan naman. Ayan. And of course, nandito po yung aking, mga batchmates. Ayan. Thank you so much. Nel, ayan, and hello Nel. And of course naman, eto sa table na to, Celestial family din na to. Ano yan? Hi! Thank you so much for coming. Ayan, maraming salamat. Hindi kasi makiklear kasi yung contact lens ko. And hi! You're the friends of Mocha. Oh my God. And at your back, ay mga batchmates ko pala. Oh my God, they're my batchmates. Thank you so much. Ayan. Oh, salamat kayo ha. Miss Lane, Jonathan. Oh, thank you so much. And, hi. Brother Nee. Oh yeah. Hi. Oh, thank you so much from Holy Spirit School. Thank you so much. And also naman from my Holy Name University High School Battle. Thank you, Net. Oo, salamat. Sana, pag may mga gagawin kang mga law with the city, kasi nasa sagot niyang bayan niya. Ayan. Net, of course, thank you so much. I know you will really understand, of course. Kaya thank you so much for coming. At saka sa lahat, thank you very much. Magpalakpakan tayo lahat. Maraming salamat. And this is once again Rise Up Against the 2025. Ayan. And syempre, the Doms, hi! Maraming salamat ha. Ayan, for coming. Ayan, at saka, si Sir, ayan, eto. Mag-boyfriend, magka-relasyon na kayo dalawa? Oo, wow, ayan. At saka, magka-relasyon din kayo? Kayo. Magtarong ha! Silang dalawa lang. Ayan. Pero, eto kayo din. Wow, ang ganda naman ang love life mo. Ayan. Parang galing preso lang mo, naka-orange. But anyway, thank you. Salamat talaga ha. Because, sa pagpunta niyo dito, tsaka, thank you so much sa, na-order niyo. May sweldo kami ngayong gabi. Thank you very much. Ayan. So, ilang taon na ba kayo na magkarelasyon? Bago pa lang. Like what? Ilang buwan? Ha? Na-interview ka na? Hindi pa kita na-interview. Oo. So, like, how many months? 2 days? Ay, 2 months? Akala ko 2 days naman. Oo. But anyway, stay strong. Ayan, ha? Dapat talaga, sa panahon ngayon, ready na talaga kayo, of course, to stay strong. Kasi hindi mo alam na yung mga nasa paligid mo, ayan, ay mga totoong friends mo. But of course, syempre naman, kasi pinagtibay na kayo ng panahon. So, that's it. Kailangan lang talaga magtiwala, of course. You've been friends for how many years na ba? 6. Kapit-bahay lang din naman. Okay. So, thank you so much once again, ha? Ayan. And hello, batchmates! Good evening. Thank you so much for coming. Maraming salamat. Si Jonathan, hi! Alright, thank you for coming, ha? Ayan. Si Jonathan kasi, siya talaga yung owner ng Pasunangka. Ayan. Bili kayo doon ng masarap na siopaw. Sing sarap ng owner. Char! Ano na siya. Miss May, thank you. And hope, of course. And good dog naman. Thank you so much. Hi. Salamat ha. Lavan. And of course naman, Sir Pogs! And Sexy Sandy. Thank you so much. You're like my sister. Ayan. Maraming salamat for supporting me. Ayan. Ay, mamaya. Oo naman. Siyempre. Hi! Thank you so much. Babalik lang daw sila. Yes. And of course, thank you so much once again. Hi, ma'am. Thank you. Ayan. Okay, so, before we're going to call on, syempre, sa ating mga individual performances, ayan, ang ating mga drag queens. Once again, I would like to say thank you, of course, to Rise and Pao, of course, for all the opportunity to give, syempre, kahit ano na, yung mga, ganito na lang yung mga edad natin ngayon. But of course, nagtiwala pa rin kayo sa akin. Thank you so much. It's really amazing, of course, to still be with you all, both, ayan, and the family. Ayan, so, I think ready na po, yes, ang ating ayan, mga performances ng ating mga drag queens. So, lalaban na tayo, ayan. So, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Maraming salamat for coming. Ayan. So, I think we're now ready. Ready na ba? Yes. Ang ating isang performer dyan. But before I'm going to call, ayan, the next performer, I would also like to say thank you so much. Siyempre, sa lahat ng mga sponsors namin, ayan, that made this event possible talaga. Once again, I would like to personally say thank you so much to Nice Skin, the Bohol Beauty Shop. Maraming salamat, of course. Ayan, for taking care of my stamina and all. Kasi kailangan talaga, pag performer ka, hindi ka talaga dapat mukhang basag. Oo. Ayan. And of course, to the IBMG and also naman sa Pagod Commercial, thank you so much. And of course, sa aking Pactal family, thank you so much. And syempre naman, sa aking Laugh Tale family, thank you very much. Ayan. So, I think ready na ang ating solo performances, yes, ng ating nag-iisa, yes, ang ating mga Bohol sa Jack Pilaron's finest drag queens.
Mabalik pa to si Roy.
So, ayan, lalaban na tayo for another performance. Dahil bonggang-bongga rush na ang ating performers ngayon. Okay. So please welcome! Ayan. Palaban na tuloy na tayo. Saan ba yun? Saan na ba? Ayan. Lalabas lang siya. Alright, please welcome once again on stage, Mocha Doors! Go! Palakpakan! Ay, si Wednesday pala. Ayan, Wednesday!